it's Heather from firststepreading.com. Thank you for coming to our live video. Today we're going to talk about how to teach your child to read, the different steps, and two questions that I received. One was, what do you do if your child doesn't want to read? And another one was how to teach spelling. So we'll start with how to teach reading. Okay, first step in teaching reading is letter identification. Letter identification means the alphabet, that your child knows all the uppercase and lowercase letters and is able to identify the symbols as the letters. For example, if your child sees this, they know that these are both A's. That's letter identification. That's step number one. So I'll write the steps for you. Letter, this is not the best marker, this one. Letter identification, which means A, B, knowing the letters, okay? Step two is knowing the letter sounds. So that means when they see A, they know an A says ah. So like A in the word cat. So knowing each letter's sounds. And they should know these really well before you move on to step three. You should be able to say to your child, what does a B make? And they say B. And C and all the letters before you try to blend letters together, which is step three, is blending letters. So that, know your sounds, first know the names, then the sounds, then be able to blend them. So for example, we always start with two letters. First, short A. They should be able to blend these two sounds, at. They should, and learn to say at. See how it's blended together? It's not at, it's at. So that's letter blending. You do two letters. You do short A with all the consonants, then short E, then short I, then short O, then short U. So that'd be, E says like jet. So you would do E, T, E, B. Then I says like it. O says like not. U says like up. So you do individually, first go over all the A's with a consonant, practice blending the sounds, so it's not at or app, it's app, at, E, et, not et. Should be combined, blended. And then you do I, then O, then U. Start with two letters. Once they can blend two letters, you start with your word families. And this, you start with A, and you add all the consonants. So it's not k, at, it's k, at, cat, b, at, bat. So that's when you move to three letters. So first two letters, three letters, A, then E, three letters, then I, three letters, then O, three letters, then U. And you're basically going over all the different word families with three letters. And word families are the letter endings. At the same time, you're doing step three with the three letters, and even the two letters, you could do step four, which are your sight words. Sight words are the words that are seen most often while you're reading. And because they're seen so often, it is best to memorize sight words. So sight words are words like I, is, for, A. So while you're learning to blend letters, at the same time they can learn to memorize these words, sight words. Okay, let's review. Step 1, letter identification, the names of the letters. Step 2, the sounds that the letters make. Step 3, blending short vowel sounds to consonants, A, E, I, O, U. And then 3 letters with your word families. A, all your A word families, blending consonants in front, then E, then I.